Hi everybody. As you can see, today's project is going to be learning how to make a bed. You just need to know that making your bed alone can reduce your stress during the day. That's what research shows. So it's something that is very helpful to do. Whenever you start, the first thing you want to do is take off all the pillows. And you can see this bed has a lot of pillows on it. Whoop. If a pillowcase falls off like this, you want to put it back on. Any kind of stuffed animals, or we even have a little dog bed on this bed, take those off. Next, you want to start with a sheet. And you kind of want to pull the sheet up towards the head of the bed and pull it down nicely on that side. Do that on both sides. And then you do the same thing layer by layer. So this one has a lot of blankets because it's winter, and so one at a time we'll pull them and kind of get them nice and smooth. And this is the top blanket. And then you finish just by placing all the pillows neatly back on the bed. You can see I'm straightening out the pillowcases. The last pillows to go on are pillows with fancier pillowcases like this. These are called shams. There you go. Now you know how to make a bed.